Hey friends, it's time to unpack what you got in your take-home kit today. So the take-home kit today has a plastic bag, your 2 pumpkin seeds, which will be in your plastic bag, and a paper towel. Things that you will need that are not in your bag, your other materials, would be a cup or a bowl and some water. The first thing that we're going to do, these are pumpkin seeds. We are going to sprout them so that maybe you can plant them in your garden and grow a pumpkin over the next couple months. So you have your 2 seeds, and you're just going to, we need to wake them up. See how dry and hard they are? They've been asleep a little bit. So the water is going to wake them up and so that they're ready to germinate. Big word, germinate. So today, we are just going to put our 2 pumpkin seeds in some water, and we are going to let them sit in the water for 24 hours. So tomorrow, we will come back and take a look at our pumpkin seeds and get them ready to plant in our bags or to germinate in our bags. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow with our pumpkin seeds. All right, friends, it's day 2. We are back. Our seeds have been sitting in our cup of water for 24 hours. I emptied some of the water out of my cup. That's why it's no longer full. And I took my paper towel and I wet it. It's a damp towel. I squeezed out all the extra water, so it's just a damp towel. I'm going to put the damp paper towel inside my plastic bag. And then we are going to carefully remove the seeds from the cup, place them in the bag with the paper towel, and then we are going to get some tape and we are going to tape it to our window. All right, as you can see, I've got my bag just taped to the window with some Scotch tape just at the top here. This window, generally when it's not cloudy, gets the most sun. And within a few days, we should be able to see the seeds start to sprout. And then once they've sprouted, it's about 3 days till you should see them start to sprout. You can let them there a little bit longer as well so that they get a little more sun if they need it. And then you can either plant them in a seed starter with some potting soil until they're a little bit bigger for the ground if the ground is still cold. Or if you think we've had our last frost, which I think we have, you can just plant them directly in your garden where it gets a lot of sun. Have fun growing a pumpkin. I can't wait to see in a few months if they've actually come up. You got to show me if you've got some pumpkins in your garden. Bye, friends.